In this video, I'm going to discuss the loan calculator. It works the same way as the lease calculator. So the first thing you're going to want to do is set up your tax settings. So pick the state that you'll be purchasing the vehicle in. If you press the info button, it'll give you some information about how the tax is calculated. In California, for example, you don't get a tax credit for your trade-in. Then you enter in your tax rate. iLeaseMyCar Pro does not set your tax rate. Oftentimes, depending on what state you're in, the tax is actually dependent on what city you're in. So just enter in your tax rate, and then that will be set for you. You also have the option of rolling in the sales tax into the loan amount. This applies if you're doing a zero down, zero drive off type purchase. And you can also set what fees are taxed in your state. So when you're done with that, go back to the main screen and you'll see you can enter in your MSRP, your selling price, your down payment. You have the option here of putting it down cash and also entering in rebates. So rebates applied before tax have the same effect as lowering your sales price, whereas rebates after tax have the same effect of cash down payment, where that amount becomes taxable. You can enter in your trade-in. So it's worth $10,000 and I owe $5,000, and it totals all that up for you and puts it for your down payment. You can enter in your interest rate. For loan additions, you can choose to roll in some fees. So if you wanted to do a true zero down deal, you would roll in all your fees and the sales tax. Enter in your loan term, and you also have the option of entering how many days till your first payment. Typically it'll be anywhere from 30 to 60 days. So if you enter in 45 here, you'll see a slight increase in your payment, and that's due to the fact that you've rolled some additional interest into your payment. Typical lease calculators just assume 30 days, so you can use that amount if you are making a comparison to another calculator, but in real deals you'll want to set this value correctly in order to get an accurate payment. Once you're done with that, just enter in to the summary view. You can enter in your deal name. This is what is used for the garage, deal garage. So this is a Ford Flex. I'm saying I'm putting a 2,000 down on this guy. You can enter in your customer's name or your salesperson's name here and their phone number. If you have an iPhone, you'll see a little button here. You can actually call your client, customer, or salesperson right from the app. And then any additional fees you're going to pay up front that will be added to your drive off. You can change these values here. To see an amortization table, just click on the info button. And to save a deal in your garage, just press the deal garage button, hit OK, and you'll see that deal shows up here. Now it's important, if you want to save another deal for, let's say, dealer B, you need to give it a different name or it'll just keep overwriting the same deal. So now as I shop around to different dealers, I could have multiple deals saved. It also saves all your sales tax settings for each deal. So that pretty much covers the loan calculator. Thanks for watching.